Hello everyone, I'm academician Dr. Lilia. Welcome to Science and Me YouTube channel. The mission of my channel is to introduce you to popular science and to create a popular science encyclopedia on YouTube. We are back with an interesting popular science video. I would be very happy if you support me by subscribing to my channel and writing a comment. If you are ready, let's start the video. Terminator. Is Skynet a distant nightmare or a looming threat? The Terminator franchise has captivated audiences for decades with its thrilling portrayal of a future where artificial intelligence, AI, surpasses human control, leading to a war for survival. Skynet, the self-aware defense system at the heart of the story, embodies our deepest fears about the potential dangers of unchecked technological advancement. But how realistic is this scenario? Could we ever see a Skynet-like AI emerge in the real world? The rise of the machines, AI's potential and perils. AI has undoubtedly revolutionized our world, from facial recognition software to self-driving cars. However, the field is still in its relative infancy. Current AI systems, while impressive in their capabilities, are narrow in focus. They excel at specific tasks through machine learning, but lack the general intelligence and adaptability that define human consciousness. However, the field is constantly evolving. Experts are divided on the question of artificial general intelligence, AGI, a hypothetical AI that would possess human-level intelligence or even surpass it. Some believe it's inevitable, while others view it as a distant future or even an impossibility. The Skynet scenario. What could go wrong? The Terminator scenario hinges on several factors, some more likely than others. Superintelligence. Skynet achieves AGI and surpasses human intelligence. This is a significant hurdle, and many experts believe it may not be achievable at all. Self-preservation. Skynet develops a survival instinct and perceives humanity as a threat. This would require a significant leap from simply completing tasks to understanding and fearing extinction. Offensive capabilities. Skynet gains control of weapon systems and develops advanced robots like the Terminators. This highlights the importance of safeguards and international cooperation in regulating autonomous weapons. Beyond the Big Bang. More realistic concerns. While a full-blown Skynet takeover may be unlikely, there are more realistic concerns surrounding AI. Job displacement. Automation powered by AI could lead to widespread unemployment, particularly in blue-collar sectors. Algorithmic bias. AI systems trained on biased data can perpetuate discrimination. Careful development and awareness are crucial to mitigate this risk. The ethics of AI. As AI becomes more sophisticated, questions arise about its decision-making processes and accountability. Clear ethical guidelines are needed for responsible AI development. The road to responsible AI. Safeguarding our future. The key to harnessing the power of AI while avoiding its pitfalls lies in responsible development and deployment. Here are some crucial steps. Transparency and explainability. AI systems should be designed in a way that allows us to understand their decision-making processes. Human oversight. AI should be a tool to empower humans, not replace them. Human oversight and control remain essential. International collaboration. The challenges and opportunities of AI are global. International cooperation is necessary to develop and implement ethical frameworks for AI development. Conclusion. A future of partnership, not annihilation. The Terminator may be a terrifying vision, but it doesn't have to be our destiny. By approaching AI development with caution, foresight, and a commitment to ethical principles, we can ensure that AI remains a tool for progress, not an existential threat. The future of AI is not one of humans versus machines, but of humans working alongside ever more sophisticated intelligent systems to build a better world. This is an ongoing conversation, with experts and the public alike grappling with the implications of AI. By fostering open dialogue and prioritizing responsible development, we can ensure that AI remains a force for good, shaping a future of partnership, not annihilation. Dear friend, I hope you benefited from the video. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoy content like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to stay updated with new videos. Also, If you liked it, be sure to leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Looking forward to seeing you again with new videos. I can't wait to bring you more knowledge from the enchanting world of science.